Welcome back, guys. So today I want to show you guys some tips and tricks that I usually do when I pack, because I've been traveling a lot for the last couple of years. And okay, for a 3-day trip I would not do anything more than a carry-on luggage. Usually it's a part of the price, you don't have to pay extra. And also you can fit a lot. My mother taught me this. Wearing a pair of sneakers, I'm bringing a pair of sneakers. Usually you always bring, either you bring heels or some kind of shoe wear. No people have thought about it, and you just put the socks in the shoe, because the shoe's already taken up the space. So now I have 3 socks in one shoe, and I can put my underwear in the other one. Plan your outfit. Sometimes I even try them on to make sure it looks good together. Make sure that whatever outfit you're bringing looks good together and looks good on you and you're feeling it. Because you don't want to come there and be stuck with an outfit that you do not like. I'm so serious, but I am. So, you probably already know this tip. Basically what you do is just roll your clothing so it ends up looking like this. Just because that makes it easier to pack in your suitcase, and ultimately you get it. And it's easy to kind of stuff them into like small places, so it'll fit more stuff. Bring a bottom. I usually have at least 2 options for the top, because it depends on your mood. Like there can be one top that you are in the mood for at the moment, but then that might change when you're there. Usually I bring more tops than I bring bottoms. I always have one of the bags that you need to put your liquid in. Since this is a carry-on, I always just pre-pack it. So whatever I'm bringing on, like makeup-wise, anything, I always have it prepared. Usually if I need another one, I reuse it, which is good for the environment. And then I just put everything that I need in here, have it prepared in my purse already. So whenever I do get to the airport, I can just pull it out and put it on my tray. Super quick, super easy, and it saves you time, it saves everyone else time. If this is your first time traveling, obviously you need to grab one at the airport. You also have these zipper bags home, most of us do. If you're not sure, just put it in the bag. Sleeping mask. If you don't have one of those, get one. I bring this every single. Want to take a nap and they're super bright on the flight, or the person next to you wants to read a book, get a sleeping mask. I just freaking slipped. One of these. I don't know how many people have it. I recently just bought mine. I took some shorter trips. I just invested in one of these. I love it. Whatever you do, don't wear your Airpods and sleep on a flight or sleep on a bus, whatever, or use one of these, because obviously you're gonna lean on it, the Airpod's gonna fall out, you don't know where it goes. You know the story. If you have AirPods, bring regular headphones as well. Sometimes there's movies or anything on the flight that you want to watch, you cannot wear your AirPods. The reason I'm not bringing the bottom is just because it's so heavy, and if you can only have a certain amount of kilos or pounds, I recommend putting it into something that's lighter. A lot of the things that you bring ends up taking a lot of weight. Certain items, especially if you travel a lot, and me trying to pack this bag right now, I realized I cannot fit my whole setting spray because it's so big. My tip is that I recommend people purchasing and having the travel version of it. If you are a frequent traveler, just have small items of the things that you are absolutely going to have with you every time. Refill it with the bigger item. It's just good to have the small one. All my ladies, I buy just makeup wipes. It's easy, it doesn't take up too much space, and I don't have to worry about the liquid. Makeup wipes, I'll just make sure that I bring like a good cleanser after. That is a small version. So tips and tricks for traveling. Last but not least, the best investments that I've made so far when it comes to traveling is get you one of these to weigh your suitcase. You can adjust it. You can choose if you want pounds, kilos, whatever. But it's super easy. I do it every single time. And I weigh my suitcase, so you don't have to worry about it when you get to the airport. And then obviously I usually just put it in my suitcase after, so I bring it with me. So my suitcase was super light, and luggage that I have right here is quite heavy because it has all the liquids in it. Hope you feel like you got a little bit from this video. If you like videos like this, please comment that, share, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I'm gonna see you guys next time.